own colorful. Stone colorful is beautiful. I'm going to put some more in.
When there's a fresh blanket of snow, it's so fun to go outside and play in it. But sometimes it's too cold to be outside, or you don't have a yard to play in. When that's the case, you can always bring the snow inside. We put some sand toys in our snow bucket to play with. Scooping, shaping, building. We added a few decorating pearls to help build and create with. A little food coloring, water, and a paintbrush, and we painted on the snow. What fun colors! If we're playing in the snow, we should build a snowman. We got some sticks for his arms and used the decorating pearls for his buttons and eyes. Why not paint the snowman too? To cut down on mess and wetness, you can make snowman in a bag. Draw a snowman on the front of a bag, add snow inside, and maybe a little food coloring. Seal it up tight and play! This is a great sensory activity. Also good for those fine motor skills. Clean snow or shaved ice is great for a homemade snow cone. A little bit of juice, some snow, and a spoon. Yummy!
It's yummy.
We did a little science with our snow. A small salt shaker, sprinkled it on the snow, and watched it melt. The snow under the salt melted a lot faster than the snow that we didn't put salt on. We just wanted to see how long it would take snow to melt inside. It took 3 hours for the snow to melt in our house. If you live in an area where there's no snow, you can always make your own. 3 cups of baking soda and a half cup of conditioner. Mix it all together. It was fun to play with. We could form it into snowmen, just like the real snow. We decided to add some decorating pearls. And a few toy animals. We put this snow in a Ziploc bag, and it was still fun to play with, even a week later.
I'm painting a little bit, and I'm all done.
I hope you can play in the snow sometime soon.